It says tributes continue to pour in following the death of one of Jamaica's most influential musicians and cultural ambassadors, Stephen Cat Coore of Third World. Ramarda Lyons has the story.
Music, legacy, now memory. Iconic Jamaican musician Stephen Cat Coore, founding member of the legendary band Third World, closed his Song of Life on Sunday, January 18, 2026. He was 69 years old, and most of those trailblazing years, he breathed meaning and purpose into reggae. His musical journey began before he was even 5 years old in Kingston.
Time any music played in the house, I'd get up and walk around in a circle, and I would just keep walking as long as the music played.
He later crafted lyrics that defined yesterday and still resonate today. Notes of comfort, notes that hug the Jamaican people corner to corner. And there were instances where he let the guitar do the talking. He was awarded the Order of Distinction, honoring a lifetime dedicated to music. His conscious messages escaped the confines of Jamaica, cementing the island's musical contributions worldwide, not by accident, but by design. This was an interview with his son 17 years ago.
The fact that you all are playing music with such conscious themes and lyrics is very important too,
Right, that's very important.
Yeah, because there are a lot of frivolous stuff music-wise out there.
That's true.
And yet still the world is in such turmoil.
Right.
So it's like the lyrical content of what you guys doing is so important for the people to hear.
His passing has sent shockwaves throughout the music industry. Born April 6, 1956, Mr. Coore spent over 50 years shaping Third World's distinctive sound. He was the epitome of practice makes perfect.
As I studied every Bob Marley song, line for line, word for word, guitar solo for guitar solo, bass line for bass line. I knew every Bob Marley song.
He was also the face of gratitude.
We have an album coming out on Island Records, and Third World's big star now, and this and that, So, I mean, it was hard for me to adjust.
Of course, yeah.
But it was something very, very, I didn't take it for granted.
Prime Minister Andrew Holness described Mr. Coore as a national treasure. He says, quote, he was a cultural ambassador in the truest sense, representing Jamaica with dignity, excellence, and pride. His contribution to the creative arts enriched our national identity and inspired generations of musicians at home and abroad. End quote. Opposition leader Mark Golding said, quote, his technical and compositional genius played a major role in pioneering the fusion of eclectic music styles into their bedrock of reggae. End quote. Entertainment Minister Olivia Babsy-Grange said, quote, his music helped carry Jamaica's sound to the world, end quote. Now members of Third World also took to Instagram to pay tribute to their longtime bandmate. Mr. Coore's legacy, inerasable and unavoidable. And it's safe to say, he's now at the land he heard about.
There's a land that I have heard about so far across the sea.
Ramarda Lyons, TVJ News.